Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Well, good morning again is what I should say.
Yeah, you've been
As we're trying to get things done.
you've been working it.
So, as you can tell, seat has to be unzippered, which it's made that way, so not a big deal.
Ooh, you have the
and where we
zipper
need to get
undone.
to is up here to put the plastic pieces.
Lighting is weird today.
Yeah, it is. To go here. So you've got the other plastic piece up on top. This goes into there, but it all gets screwed down like this.
Yeah.
Great, not a problem. I love it.
Yeah.
Now here's the problem. There's no way to really see in there without damaging things. So
Look at unchristian like hands, as old girl would
don't
say.
rip it, don't rip it, don't rip it, don't rip it. Okay.
Are you fingering the hole in Kyle's seat?
I can.
Ooh,
It is metal.
You, though.
It is metal.
All right, so
But I can't see in there at all. I'm trying to feel with my fingers, and I can only go so far because I don't want to rip the cover. I need to. I don't have a choice. I have to put a little slice mark.
well, you got to poke a hole anyway for
Right.
the loop to go.
Well, the plastic piece gets bolted to the metal. Then this, because it's got little tabs, you just kind of
Pops in.
pops into place and locks everything there. Great, not a problem.
Hold on, let me.
But I can't. Here, hand me the left plastic piece so I can show everybody.
Yes, dear. Here's all the goodies here.
Okay, is this the left? Yeah, this is the left. So,
Yes, it has an L on it. That usually means left.
or in your case, loser. So it's going to go on like this.
It's too early to. No, you're upside down.
No,
Yes, look at the L. It's upside down. There you go. Beautiful.
but it doesn't. I don't remember him going like
Yeah,
that.
it does go like that because it pulls it towards you.
Okay, you might actually be right. I doubt it, but you might.
Scotty, how many of these cars have I had? How many of these cars have I cut up and thrown most of the stuff away to make a race car out of?
And how many cars have I had like this?
Yeah, we both have had a lot of these.
So,
Oops.
1, 2. I always remember them being like this.
No, that's the wrong way.
Maybe that's just the way
Maybe.
mine were from people owning it. I don't know, but either way.
Yeah, it's the other way.
We'll get it figured
other
out.
way.
But we need to.
Find the hole, big boy.
Yeah, I need to put a slice mark in here, and I'm not cutting these.
Just a skosh.
Yeah, I'm not cutting these until I get consent from the owner because I'm not taking any chances.
Don't take no
but
chances.
I don't have much of a choice, even with as little as my hands might be. But on that note, ladies
You have
and
to
gentlemen,
say about guys with little hands.
yeah, I don't think he ever planned on me showing. Oops, I can't make that statement. That would definitely be bad. So, that note, before we were rudely interrupted with a jet going by.
Hey, when I go on vacation, are you going to stand outside and flip me off again?
Of course I will.
Oh, how sweet. Okay, I'm going to get this to Kyle, and we will go from there.